and welcome to a Minecraft Let's Play video. Today I will be probably killing that guy. If you saw my last Minecraft Let's Play video, you'll know about my friend Aiden. Well, yeah, I don't remember his new gamer tag, but yeah, he was on the world, and yeah, so we built this house. So in this episode here, I will be running away from skeletons. I want to go to bed. Actually, yeah, but I'll tell you what I'll actually be doing. Yeah, killing skeletons. I will be linking a tunnel link to each other's houses. Can you please go away, chat button thing? Can I go to sleep now? No. Wait, what difficulty is it on? Oh, it's fine. Just happens to be a lot of skellies out. Now may I go? Oh, thank you. Thank goshness. I can also make videos longer than 15 minutes now. So this episode may be a bit longer, so that's good. How much wood do I have on this? None. That means it's tree chopping time. This breaks mining time to get me some stone tools. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're going to be doing this episode. Chop. Cutting out trees, Squiddy style. Just kidding, no. I won't. That annoys you like it does Stampy. Yeah. Because it doesn't bother me that much though, but I'm going to do it for the guests. People who watch my channel. I could use a nom. Chopping down wood, and yeah, that's pretty much it. My recorder cuts out and would get so mad. So, yeah. I hope it doesn't. Chopping down wood, chopping down wood. Chopping down wood. Chopping down wood, yeah, actually I'm not chopping down wood anymore, so, yeah! Ooh, 48 planks, that's good. Oh yeah, so, I should probably be talking. So, like, yeah, I'm just gonna fix up his house for him, because that's what a friend does, right? No, I thought his house was broken there. Like, what? This tunnel link is gonna be so cool. Yeah, and he has a double door, so people can't get it. Like, mobs, even though, like, so he has a bit more time if someone starts breaking down his door. That's why he did it, but whatever. It's his problem, not mine. So yeah, I'll just be playing it solo to die. Trying to get us some doors, I guess. Oh, looks like already I have two, so I guess that'll work fine. my side. And I'll just make him some doors. Oop, nope. Minute to exit. Wait. Oh, that's the wrong place right there. Chopping up wood, chopping up sticks. Wow. What? I made so many extra doors for nothing. Is there any way to convert all these doors back into wood? Oh, yeah. I don't think so though, but one thing hasn't done anything bad yet, so that's good. So we've only made recording for 6 minutes. Almost 7 now. So just gonna go platforming here. Oops, it's lagging again. Well, that's a better platform, I'd say. Steak experience. I need more wood. I need more wood. I need more wood. And I'll get my wood right now. I'll get it all in video so you guys don't think I'm cheating or anything. I would never go into creative mode and do this on a Let's Play. That would just ruin the experience. I love starting up new survivals. It's so fun. At least in my opinion it is. I don't really know what things to say. Sorry if I don't talk much. It's just I don't have as much things to say. Like, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but like, yeah. I really think this tunnel is gonna be cool. It's gonna be like tunnel where we go and like fall down holes. We can go into each other's houses. Instead of just walking over to the other side, because he built his double doors on a weird side over there, so like, yeah. I'm a baker, and I've lots of iron armor for mining trips. So, I might actually just end the video. I'm done building this tunnel, and then I'll give you a quick tour of our houses. Not really much more to see than what you've already saw. It's a lot of S words. I'm having a good day YouTube-wise, because I've also gotten some Splatoon videos up. Part 1 and Part 2, but my record does cut out on me a couple times, and on the Splatoon thing, sorry if the vision's bad, which I know it is, but just the way my recording is, and all. It's not as cool as I thought it would be, but it's still pretty cool. And that's a black sheep. Wait, do I have shears? No, I do not. Sorry, sheep. I don't have shears, but you know what? Just be nice to you. Throw an egg. And get hurt by a ledge. How high is that fall? Oh, that's not too bad. You know what? I think I'll go to bed first.